Hello YouTube family, this is Ravi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm back with another video on ServiceNow interview preparation series. First video we have already seen how to copy an attachment. There was some comments like how we can avoid duplicate content. I will bring that video. Don't worry at all. You can restrict it. This video which I am going to bring is one of the favorite of everyone. Most of the customers, most of the client, most of the interviewer will ask you these questions. If a child incident is closed, then only we can close the parent incident. So this type of questions are I have seen mostly asked in interviews. So let's go back to ServiceNow over here and just the requirement says we have an incident record, for example. So let's say I'm going to incident. Yep. And let's say I create one incident. Caller, system admin, category, anything you choose doesn't matter. Short description, essay, testing, child parent. Yeah. And just save it. So this is one normal incident which we have created. Now, second part of this requirement is that it should have a child incident. So how to attach a child incident in ServiceNow on incident? So if you scroll down after saving the record, you will get this option called child incident. Once you attach any incident, that become the child and this become the parent. So parent become INC1356 and child become the one you will attach. So let me create another incident. And guys, if you are very new to this channel, do watch the content on admin, development, integrations, flow designers, lot of contents out there. And you can master your service in less than a month. So that will help you out in scaling your future. And in upcoming days, I'm going to bring, as I promised, once I reach 10 plus K subscriber, then I am going to bring another series of human resource or IT operation management very soon. So let me create another incident and let's say this is for able printer. So ServiceNow is damn easy, guys. It's very easy. Just you have to focus. Child incident. Okay, I created two incidents in front of you. The first incident is the parent one. How to attach the child. So come to this child part and go to this edit option. You can click on new also to create it. So I have already created this one. So I will copy this number. I will go to this edit option. And under this edit option, I will just choose my child. Fine, save it. So what will happen now? This incident 013575 is a child and the parent instead become the one which is here. So now we have one small concept. Let me show you what is that small concept. So I will open the snipping tool. Should open. So let it open. Meanwhile, if we have a parent and child relationship, if parent has any changes, whatever the changes we have in parent, the child will also get impacted. But here the question is that when child is closed, so if I will close this incident right now, it will close the incident. But it will only close if this incident is closed. Else it will not be able to allow you to close. It will throw you an error saying that the parent incident, child incident is still not closed. So in this case, guys, what you have to do is you have to write a logic. That logic will help us here is server-side logic, because server-side is a place where you will deal with the data. Client-side is something, see, this is the UI. This is the client-side. Client-side is something which we guys can easily do the on change, on load, on submit and all that. But server-side is something where we can manipulate the data. We can do CRUD operations, create, update, read and delete. Just snipping tool is open now. Let me open this. Let's say we have a parent and we have a child. So as per normal way, whatever the property of parent will be transmitted to the child and child will inherit the property. Like we inherited the property of our parent, correct? Our nose, our eyes, our face cut to look like our parent. Similarly, child will inherit the property of parent. But in this case, I am just restricting it, saying that we have a parent and we have a child until this child is closed. This parent cannot close. If it is closed, then only we can close the parent. As of now, I can show you. I can click on this. I can click on, so this is the parent. So I will show you something. If I go and click on closed and let's say anything, just save it, you will notice the incident is currently closed. See, permanently closed. This is not I want. But if you notice, this particular child incident is still in progress. Where is the state? So I can bring the state here. Okay, it is still in new. You notice. Yeah, it is still in new. I don't want this, guys. So let's do it. Let's go back. Let's go to the list view of incident. Click on all. This one is closed. Let me just move it to the new workload. So now this become new. Refresh the page. The requirement is if you have a child incident, until you close it, until the state is closed, you cannot close the parent incident. So here we have to deal with data, and data is always deal with the server side system. Here I am writing a business rule. Why business rule? Because business rule is a place where the rule has to be written in such a way that it will satisfy the business need. Okay, and it's a place where we have all those CRUD operations. We can create, update, read, and delete. Even we can query. So that's why the logic says that whenever an incident is closed or whenever the incident is updated, obviously, when you close something, you are nothing but you are doing an update. So I'm going to click on you and I'm going to create a business rule. In this business rule, on this server-side script, we will say that, hey ServiceNow, if the child is closed, then only you close your parent. If child is not closed, then don't allow parent to close himself. So here let's say parent / child. Sorry for spelling. My bad. Table name incident. Can choose your table name accordingly. I am choosing the table name incident because this is an incident requirement. This is applicable to problem as well, vice versa also, chase table also. Whenever you have a parent-child concept, you can use this. Parent table is incident. Go to the advanced section. Yeah. Now the requirement is before update, obviously, not before create, before insert. So before inserting the data, the action has to be performed. That is called before business rule. If you want to know more about business rule, you can check the video in the I button or you can check the videos from the playlist. Over here, what is happening? Before update means on incident table, before updating the changes, the filter condition I'm going to choose is when the state changes. State changes. Now, whenever the state changes, this business rule will trigger on incident table. And what it will do? In the advanced section, I am going to write our logic. What logic? So first logic, we are already on the incident table. So we can use current and previous. Current refer to the current table. Previous refer to the current table, previous value on that field. You know that. Current object and previous object. Here what I will do is, just I will write variable. Let me zoom this screen right a little bit. Yeah, variable. Let's say inc equal to new GlideRecord incident. This is only for those who know about GlideRecord concept. If you know about GlideRecord concept, it is easy for you to understand. If you have not checked this, go and check the scripting series video of mine. It will be very easy for you to understand. Second is, if I go to the incident table, what I have to check? So this is the incident, if I'm not wrong. Yeah. Now if you notice here, we have a field called parent incident. So do one thing, come here, right click, open in the new window. It is on the incident table only, and the field is called parent incident. So if you have an extension installed that is called ServiceNow util, you can double click here. You can get the backend name. What are the parent incident backend name? This is called parent incident. So can I write like this? See, inc.addQuery. Whatever the parent incident, so this is my parent incident. Copy this, comma, current refer to the current incident. See guys, this is my current incident. This one is my current incident. On this current incident, we have a parent, or vice versa. I can say that this is my parent incident. On this parent incident, we have a child. So what is the current incident? 1713756. So if I take the sysID of it, current.sysID of this incident, it means that it has a child. So the best part about it, right click, show XML if you do. Open this, Control F, search for parent. Over here, you can notice here we have a parent field here. Correct. So which is on which table? Which is on incident table, but which record? You can see the sysID. So with the sysID, you can see the sysID CD74. It means that if I use the current sysID of the parent record, we can match this value. So can we write like this, current.sysID? So indirectly what I am doing, I am checking the incident table. I am applying the query that if a table is having, if a parent incident is having the current sysID, means parent incident is a field on the child incident, and on this child incident we are copying the what is a parent. If you see here, this is my parent. So if I add a filter, parent incident is this one. So I know that this becomes the child. So current.sysID of this field, because this field become reference now. See here, if I click on this, it will land me on the parent incident. This is my parent incident and this is my child incident. So it's create a hyperlink. It means that it creates a reference field. I can only pass a sysID. If something is reference, I can only pass the sysID. Correct. So reference field will return me sysID. That's the reason. Over here, I am passing the sysID. There you go. Your work is half done. Now you will do query. If you have more than one record, you can use while. If you have only one record, then you can use if. So inc.next is all up to you. Down there. And now I will check the current state of my ServiceNow child incident. So how to check the current state? You can pause the video and let me know how you can check the current state. So now we have to check the current state of our incident. If you see here, current state of my child incident is new. This is my parent. This is my parent. And this is the child. So current state is new. Or you can see from here also. The current state is new. So if it is closed, so what is the backend value of closed? So if you go here on the top, state value is new. So if I double click, because of this extension as an util, you will notice we have a closed backend value is 7. Or if you don't have an extension installed, you can right click on the state part, go to the configure dictionary, show choice list. If you click on choice list also, it will show you what are the different choices available. New, in progress, on hold, and all those options are available. 7 is for closed. So choose your incident first. So let me just do one thing, right click, show matching. Okay, now where's your incident or task? Close, let me do the show matching. Now on incident, we have a field called closed and the value is 7. This is what I wanted to show. Okay, let's go back here and check if incident.state Because inc is an object here and we can play around with object. So if you don't know how to create an object, what are object, please check the previous video. What is the backend name? 7. If incident.state double equal to 7, then go inside it and add a message. I am adding an error message saying that info message I will add instead of error, info message. This is child incident and the state is closed. And after this is a terminology that I have to use called current. This is the current record incident table, means parent record. If I click on close, it should update. So obviously we have to set something so that it will not update if this value is not met, if 7 is not met. So I will write like this, current.setAbort. Now guys, there's a method called abort action. Abort means, let's say, mission aborted. If you are playing some games, you might have seen that something is aborted, mission aborted or XYZ aborted. What is this? A mission is aborted means you will stop here. Set abort action will not allow to perform CRUD operations. Create, update, read and delete. See, set abort action, and see set flag to indicate if the next database action, insert, update, delete, to be aborted. So if I made it false, it means that it will not abort. In the else condition, I will write else, copy the same stuff, put it here, but make this as a true. If this condition is not met, then current.setAbortAction. So setAbortAction is a method that allows you to abort your current activity if you choose true and false. True and false are basically Boolean. True return 1, false return, true return 1, false return 0. Machine language. These are called machine language because computer don't understand your English. Computer will understand your machine languages. Boolean will represent true and false part. So true means abort action will happen. False means abort action will not happen. Means mission is not aborted. At line number 11, mission is not aborted. But at line number 50, if this condition is not met, then mission will be aborted. And I can put the error message instead of info message. Error message saying that child incident is not closed. Mission aborted. Slash, you can put update aborted. Basically, guys, when you use current.setAbortAction by default in ServiceNow, ServiceNow will give you an error message, invalid update. So that will automatically coming up. So don't worry. And this is what the script is. You can see the script. Go to the incident table. Check the parent incident field. This parent incident field, if it is having a parent, it means that this is a child. So how to pass this parent value? So it is a reference field. It is giving my hyperlink. So I will use the sysid of that field. So I can use current.sysid. Then go to that field, means query that option. Go to the field. If you have only one record, go with if. If you have more than one record, go with while. Check the state and abort the action. Else, don't abort the action. So line number 11 will not abort. So here, mission successful. But here, mission is not successful. So you can save the record now. Save your business rule. And now let's see whether it is working or not. So this is a short video, maybe 20-25 minutes. I don't know how much time it is taking. But trust me, these are the questions asked in interviews. So check the condition again. So I'm making this little small. So when you want to run this, whenever an update will happen, when the state changes, advanced section, this will work. So let's go to the incident. Yeah, parent incident, refresh the page. So this parent incident has a child, and currently the child is in new state. Now let me try closing it. Close. Once you close, these options is mandatory. Let's say workaround. We can put test. Sorry. We can put test. Right click, save. So I'm updating this record, and you will get an error, invalid update. And if you refresh the page, see, incident is not closed. Still it is in new state. Similarly, if I go to in progress, for example, right click, save the record, invalid update. So now let me close this incident, double click. Okay, I have to open this incident. Double click, closed. When you close something, you put. So this is the child incident. I am closing it. Now the child incident is closed. Let's go back to the parent incident, refresh the page. There you go, scroll down. The child incident is closed. And now if I try to close this incident, right click, save it. Okay. See, incident has been permanently closed. If I refresh the page, still the incident is closed. So what this means? It means that it only works when this will match. If it is not matched, then it will go to the abort action. I hope it is clear. And if you have any doubt, let me know. If you want, I can put this stuff on my description YouTube. You can get this code from there. Or I can create a separate folder on the Google Drive. From there, they can get the code. So anything is fine for me. So this is what it is. And keep here in your mind what details we have used. So we have used server side. Then we have used GlideRecord. And what else we have used? We have used set abort action. Simple. Okay. So all these three terms we have used here in the second scenario. That's all for today. If you have any question, do ping me in the comment section and we'll meet soon. Till then, thank you guys. Have a nice day.